Perplexity AI versus Claude AI, best AI generator. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to compare and tell you about the pros and cons of Perplexity AI and Claude AI. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, let's talk about Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI is known for its strong ability to answer questions by retrieving information from the web in real time. Pros of Perplexity AI: real time information retrieval from the web, capable of providing up to date answers and explanations, good for general queries and research, offers concise and relevant answers, user friendly interface with easy to read responses. Cons of Perplexity AI: limited creativity in generating content, doesn't have advanced conversational depth, relies heavily on web sources, so may not always provide original answers. Now, let's talk about Claude AI. Claude AI is built by Anthropic and is designed to prioritize safety, ethics, and reasoning in its responses. Pros of Claude AI: strong ethical framework and safe conversational style, great for writing, summarizing, and brainstorming. Good contextual understanding and reasoning skills. Excels in clear and concise code explanations. Designed with a focus on providing safe and unbiased responses. Cons of Claude AI: limited in real time information retrieval, sometimes more cautious in response generation, doesn't integrate directly into coding environments like some other tools. So that's basically the main differences are between Perplexity AI and Claude AI, which will help you in choosing the right one for you. So that's all for this video.